Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. Today I'm going to go over my project proposal for Enterprise Resource Planning System by myself, Lucille Christy. First we have our overview. The main problem EnerSys has is that it doesn't have one system that talks to other systems to pull information or generate reports. There are multiple platforms with different types of information that has to be manually manipulated to get maybe half of the information needed. EnerSys needs one system that can hold all of this information, and that would be an Enterprise Resource Planning System, ERP. An ERP system would allow EnerSys the chance to track, record, and manage the company efficiently. EnerSys wants to take on more battery builds and contracts and have a more successful production time. To do so, they need to be more organized. With adding an ERP system, this will allow EnerSys the ability to plan out current builds and buy the correct material needed. If they can schedule the current builds, then that will help them see what availability they have in the future and where they can fit in future builds. The ERP system will allow and also help them know exactly what they would need to buy and when they need to buy it. The ERP system will also allow them to know the right amount of resources needed to complete the builds when they would need to and when they would be needed. The current situation is EnerSys isn't able to properly track multiple things. So an ERP system will help centralize this information and help planning become more realistic. I will look into the systems they are currently using and see all of the inefficiencies and take note of them, and then show how an ERP system can fix those problems. I will work with the schedulers, buyers, planners, and managers of multiple departments to see the key things they're normally looking for but can never find. The key success factors would be top management commitment, clear goal setting and budget planning, business process re-engineering, change management, effective project management, good project team and client vendor, high communication standards, scope creep management, data and approvals on time, education and training. If we are able to have a set team that is committed to these key success factors, there is nothing that could stand in the way of this ERP system benefiting the company, or as I should say, the company benefiting from implementing this system. It will just allow for so much more opportunities to add and create better positions and working times for the company. There are other alternatives. However, they don't really fit the exact thing that an ERP system can provide us. One of the alternate options would be organization change. We technically don't need an organization change at this current moment. We have the correct employees, we have everybody in different departments, and we have the departments that are needed, but we are just not executing all of our information correctly. Another alternative is business process re-engineering. Now, every business can re-engineer and reorganize their processes, and sometimes that does work. However, for EnerSys, that will not work. Being that we are a government or we're not technically government, but we have government contracts. That does not allow for us the ability to just change processes. We have to stay with our current processes and hope that we can successfully continue to build and produce batteries with the processes we have in place. The strategic option would be to have a phased rollout of the ERP system. We don't want to do everything at one time because there are situations that we could lose information. So it's better to have it at phased intervals and do little pieces at a time. That way we make sure we cover all of our bases. The benefits of a ERP system, there's quite a few for a company. Because systems can be slowly implemented and tested without pressure, and old systems can be cast off one by one, the ability to revert systems or make adjustments can lower the risk to the business. Employees also have more time to adjust, which in turn helps to keep the business running smoothly throughout the transition. The risks of a phased rollout would be the ERP costs, the training costs, and the cost of the implementation and maintenance. Being that it's phased out, it would take a little bit longer, but in the end, it's security knowing that we are not losing information or ruining a system that we are just trying to build. The final recommendations would be to have a successful ERP implementation plan. And if we follow these 8 elements, there's really not much that could stand in the way of EnerSys becoming bigger and stronger and better with knowing all of the information that's going on within the company.